Yo, home hearties, and welcome to the stream. Why are there so many of you? That's instantly what I'm going to say. Why are there so many of you? Where have you all come from? Why are you, there's not normally this many people here. Right, who have we got? I've got to scroll up in the chat. So we have Fuzi, we have Knight, we have Leanne Tremaine, we have Crazy Plays, we have Domini, and we have Aiden. And did I say Crazy Plays? I said Crazy Plays, right? Why are there so many of you? I mean, welcome to the stream. So, like, how are you all doing? But why are there so many of you? Why are there so many of you on this specific stream? There's 8 people watching currently, which is higher than it normally is at the start. Good, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing pretty good today. Crazy, can you unblock me? What is going on here? Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I'm not getting into arguments about whether people should be unblocked. I'm just not gonna get into stuff like that. I collected a gemstone from Mars. It can kill people. It's worth 100k. What? 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 I'm confused. Hold on, I've got to read this. Okay, right. So, I'm off school with half term, so here I am. Oh, of course, right. Some people are on half term now. Right, I'm not on half term. Anyway, right, so we're making a mobile game. Now, the thing is, the one that I can think of that's kind of simplistic to do in a single stream is a thing called Merge Miners, which I'm gonna just look up because it's easier to show people. So Merge Miners, this is essentially free advertising for them. Basically, you have a bunch of stuff. It doesn't look like this. Why are the pictures not loading? Hello? Okay, refresh the page. You gonna work? Yes. Right. So basically, it looks like this. You have a bunch of items. It doesn't, well, no, it doesn't look at all like this. It's completely different style. But you have all of the tools, and you merge them together. They level up. You drop them. They dig down. You get to the end. You get money. You buy more tools. It's sort of like that. You know, repetitive cycle and all that. That's essentially what this is. So you get stuff like this. You merge it all together. You drop it, and then it will hopefully get you a bunch of money. That's the easiest one I can think of to do on stream that would still be doable, I guess. Oh gosh, chat is moving on like faster than I actually can read it. Minecraft Pocket Edition. I don't think we can make Minecraft in one stream. I should do that. I should try that. Should I try that? I mean, technically Minecraft Pocket Edition exists. Like, we could try it. I don't think it would be good. So you know what? I'll give you guys a decision. I'll give you guys a decision. Can I make a poll? Start a poll? Right. Okay. Right. What am I adding? I've forgotten. I've forgotten what I'm supposed to suggest here. Right. Which game? Right, have we got any other suggestions? Or is this like our suggestion? Right, so if I put Merge Miners or Minecraft Pocket Edition, have we got any other options for like games or something that people are wanting to see? Like, what suggestions have we got? So far we've got Merge Miners and Minecraft Pocket Edition. Are there any others? Assignment is due tomorrow night. Maybe you should do that instead of watching my stream. I mean, I'm glad you're supporting my stream and all, but maybe do your assignment. Maybe just do your assignment and stuff. Right, anyway, so, any other games? Or are those our options? Because, like, I can't think of another option. I just accidentally added another. How do I, must contain, right, remove that one. There we go. Right, I'm just gonna post a poll. I'm gonna leave that to you guys. I'm gonna leave that to you guys. What's our game? I mean, so far Merge Miners is winning. Oh, no, okay, it's 50-50. Oh, no, now it's Pocket Edition. Now it's Pocket Edition. Oh gosh. Of course you guys pick the really difficult one. There's 5 votes and it's 60%. I don't think we're gonna get any more votes. Pinecraft? We're calling it Pinecraft. We're calling it Pinecraft. Right, I'll just click end poll because I can see that that's what the results are gonna be. There we go, look at the results. Oh, you guys. Oh. You guys are evil. Bye night. See you in like 2 hours. Ah, right. Okay. You're muting the stream and you're doing the assignment. Good. That's what you should be doing. Captain, do you think I'm gonna survive making the trip for 9 kilometers with a gemstone worth 100k that will kill me over time? I'm sure you can do it. Are you just walking? Like, have you just got to walk the whole way? Anyway, why would you guys give me the harder option? I'm course you give me the harder option. I mean, like, of course that's what you're going to do. Right. I'm stuck on this. I'm genuinely stuck on this. Because I was not expecting you guys to force me to make Minecraft. I mean, technically you can't force me to do anything. I can sort of just do whatever I want. But that's maybe not the best decision in terms of people liking the stream. Pinecraft, craft pineapples and turn them into a pine bar or pine fishy. What? Anyway, right, import. Not import rig, rig builder, that's what I want. Right, we're gonna use block rig, just for a size comparison. Right, so, in Minecraft, a block is half the size of a player. That's what it is, a block is half the size of a player. So, given the fact that a dummy is 5 studs tall, we're gonna have to go 2.5, which is not a nice number. That's really not a nice number. Like, look, it doesn't fit in our grid. It doesn't fit in our grid. That's not a nice number. It's very much not a nice number. Sad. This is evil. This is straight up evil. I hope you guys realise that. You guys better realise that. Like, it's straight up evil. Okay, how do we do this? Right, firstly, let's make, like, the most simple block. We'll go with a grass block, right? Sometimes when the world gives you not nice numbers, you need to deal with them. It's not evil. This is evil. You guys have made me, like, make a stupidly difficult... We're turning off the 2020 textures. I'm sorry, just... The originals are better. You have to admit, the originals are better. Right. We are going to call this... Health. No, wait, no. We're going to call this one grass. We're going to insert an int value, which is gonna be health. So... Health. Like that. And we're actually gonna duplicate that, and we're gonna go max health as well. So, what is the maximum health of a grass block, guys? What's the maximum health of a grass block? This is gonna determine how long it takes to break. Like, how long is it gonna take to break a grass block? 10? Yeah, I'll go 10. 10's easy. Well, right, so max health, and we'll set that there as well. Right. And now I feel like we're gonna need a breaking graphic. I kind of want to make a breaking graphic no matter what here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to make a breaking graphic, and there's a bunch of information about stuff. Right. let's open up my wonderful photo editor, which is kind of a rude word. Right. New. How big do we make this? Let's make it 100 by 100, just so that it's nice and small and doesn't take too much time to process. Right, and let's fill it with transparency. There we go. Zoom in. View, show grid, view, snap to grid, view, and no, that's image, view, snap to canvas, edge, right, image, configure grid, and we're gonna set that to 10. So now we need to make our little, like, breaking graphic. So if I set the size down to 10, right. So it can start from the, no, not that color. I want it black, because that's what the color is in Minecraft. What's E equals MC squared? That's something. Energy equals mass times something. Exactly, kinetic energy. Yeah, that, I definitely knew that. Right, let's just make like a sort of crack design in it. I don't know what this is going to end up looking like. This already isn't looking good, whatever it looks like, but that's fine, guys. That's all completely fine. Oh gosh, I just screwed that. I want to snap to the grid for all of this. And let's just go like this. Yeah, that looks decent, I think. And then just bring it down like that. And I think one more going in this direction. You know what? This one can break into two there, but it can also break into two here. There we go. Look at that, it's a thing. Right, if I go File, Export, and I'll just bring it over here. So, storage drive D, pictures. Where do I normally save this? Roblox custom decals, that'll be it. Right, and this will be breaking. .png. And yes, export that. Right. So, don't need that anymore. Yes, discard changes. Right, and now, oh, hello Fry the Durg, how are you doing as well? What does that actually mean? Hello, where's the milk as well? How are you both doing? I hope you're doing well. Right, I need to create an image. And I don't know how to do this now, because Roblox has gone and changed their creation page. What is this? How do I make an image? I don't know how to make an image anymore. This is really how development items, decals. This is, what's the difference between a decal and an image? It's the same stuff. It's the same stuff. I don't understand that. Anyway, right. Upload. I need to upload an image. So let's find wherever I just saved that. There it is, breaking. Right. So, breaking, yes, it's a decal, and yeah, the description can be a decal, upload, and I need the asset ID of it. There we go. Right. Sup? Hello Eclipse as well, welcome to the stream, everyone is here. Right, so I need the toolbox, which is there, so... Look, see, it's an image. What's the difference between an image and a decal? Does anyone want to explain that to me? Does anyone want to explain that? And look, it's breaking. Right. So, how do I do that? You know what? I'm gonna go with a folder, and this folder is going to be called Break Textures. And we're going to go in here. So this one is going to be called front, and it's going to go on the front. This one is going to be called back. Wait, oh, it has to be That's annoying. That's really annoying. Okay, right, we're gonna call this one... right, this one's gonna be back brake. And this one is gonna be front brake. And I don't like how this works. So, front brake. And then we go... left, brake. There we go. And set it to the left-hand side. Then duplicate that, and we'll go right brake. And it can go on the right-hand side. And I think you know what the last two are going to be. They're going to be top and bottom. Well done, everyone. You get a sticker if you guess that correctly. Hello, Nathan, as well. Welcome to the stream. Why is everyone here just right at the start? Like, everyone has turned up here. Right, top brake. And guess what? It goes on the top. How amazing. And one more. Bottom brake. And we can go... where is it? Bottom. Right. So, stuff looks like that when it's braking. And if I quickly just turn the transparency to 1, isn't that brilliant? Now, health. We are going to go insert object, and we're going to go with a script. And then, we're going to go... what is your game going to be about? Well, apparently... we're making Minecraft Pocket Edition. I should probably put that in a pinned comment. We're making Minecraft Pocket Edition. Apparently. And let's pin that message. So essentially, we're making Minecraft. I might as well just change the stream to remaking Minecraft in one stream. It would probably do better. It would probably do better. Bro, that's kind of hard. Yeah, it is hard. You can thank everyone for making me do that. Right. This is going to be called break texture script. So, local health equals script.parent, local block equals health.parent, local max health equals block.max health there. So now I think we do health.changed colon connect brackets function, another pair of brackets, boom. Right. And now we need to get a percentage. So, so close. This took me over 2 hours. You're not dying today. Oh, right. You're still walking with your like highly volatile bit of thing. Right. So I think that's right. We need a percentage. So I'll go local percentage equals nil for now. Actually, I should change it to 1, because 1 is going to be a good placeholder if the script fails. So, then we need to do local... Pineapple, guess the last time I touched Minecraft? Well, it's either going to be, like, earlier today, or it's going to be never. Nether? I just said that with TH. I'm thinking of Minecraft. It's either going to be, like, earlier today, or it's going to be you never touched it, because it's always one of those two whenever someone brings up a question like that. Okay. So, why am I defining local again? I don't need to define local. Right, percentage equals... and it's going to be health.value divided by max health.value and then times by 100, I think. No, wait, no, because we don't do it as a percentage, we do it as a number from 0 to 1. So actually, that is fine, and I don't need the brackets. Those are useless. Right. So then, Fuzi, you're gonna be really happy. We're gonna do what, pinball. I liked your Lotus finale. Thank you, Milk. Thank you very much. It took way too long to make because I had to deal with the whole subbot thing. Like, it's such a short video. It's been in the making for so long, and getting children. Yes, Fousey, we are getting children. So local block children. I can't think of a better name. Equals block colon get children. Just like Yogi's child. Yogi is having a child, if you didn't know that. Yogi on the SMP, he's having a child. Everyone say congratulations to Yogi. Right. So, 4 count equals 1 to the number of block children do if block children square brackets count is a, no wait, is it colon is, yep, colon is a, and then I think enum dot decal, no, what is it, because you can go, wait, I thought Yogi was young, yeah, well, I mean, he's like an adult, but yeah, he's having a child. So if block children is a, and I need to say decal, how do I do this? How do I do this? Because you can normally do, you can do stuff like this for other things. How do you use is a? What is it? String boolean, like, class name. How do I... Because you can normally do, like, you can do, like, is a base part or something. So, like, hold on, if... How do you use is a? How to use is a... Roblox. Oh, it goes in string. That explains it. Decal, there we go. Right, we got it. I'm hoping that that's going to be the only decal that's needed, so I'm going to assume that it's all fine, I think. Pineapple, have you seen Roblox generative AI? It's really cool. I have not. Hello, Whale, as well. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Right. So, oh yeah, about Yogi's child, by the way, it's legally owned by Seaman, because on Terran they made an agreement for, Seaman to get Yogi's first child in exchange for a loaf of bread. It was a good trade, in my opinion. Okay, this is concerning. I lost most of my directions and now I'm blind. Leanne Tremaine, I hope that is all fine. Anyway, what? Yeah, yeah, it's a reasonable trade, Fousey. I don't see what's wrong with that. Right. Anyway, block children square brackets count dot transparency equals 1. And I think that's actually all that's needed for that. So, if we hit run, where's the top of my screen? I've just realised. Oh wait, oh, it's that. Right, oh no, I'm playing. I just want to run. I just want to click run. There we go, run. So, we should be on server side, so this should work. But if I change health to 9... did nothing. Okay, that's a bit concerning, the fact that it did nothing. What if I add a script, or I just add a part in this script where wait 10 seconds, and actually 10's too long, 5 seconds, and we're gonna go health.value equals 5. We're just gonna do that and see what happens. So, did it work? I saw it get darker. No, because it should be at like 50% transparency. Why isn't it working? I don't think it's worked. I don't think it's worked, because, hold on, if I... Yeah, transparency is still 1. 19 people watching? There's 19 people watching? What? What? And only 7 likes? Wow, guys, wow. Why isn't this working? Why is that not working? Why is that not working? Can I do print percentage? Just print percentage, and then at least I know if it's getting to the function. So if we see like a random decimal output here, well, it should be 0.5. I don't think it's worked. I don't think it's worked. Now, why is that? Why has it not worked? Right, we're gonna do it in a different script, okay? We're gonna do it in a different script. This is all fine, right? So script dot parent dot value equals 5. Please. Oh wait, 0.5. Right, okay. So output 0.5, that's good. That means that works, but it didn't change this. We were down Bing, and then we came back and forced an overtime that we won. Wait, what? I played ball. I'm very confused at that. I am kind of confused. I'm kind of confused. I don't know why that didn't. Oh! How dare none of you point that out to me? How dare none of you notice that very obvious problem? Can't believe it. I can't believe you guys didn't work that out. You know, I was testing you there. I knew what the problem was that whole time. I was just testing you. I can't believe none of you got that. I can't believe it, guys. Can't believe it. You all failed that test. You all failed that test entirely. Anyway, this is gonna be called grasp. Right. Lighting. Actually, do we want to do it in lighting? Yes, we should do it in lighting. We really should do it in lighting. So let's not insert a part. Insert a folder. And we are going to call this folder cloning, as always. So cloning, there we go. And insert another folder, and that is going to be called blocks. And in there, we are going to put grass block. There we go. Right. And now I've got to make terrain. I'm not looking forward to that, because terrain requires Perlin noise, which is one thing that I have absolutely no clue how to do it. Just came by, I got to go sleep soon. That's okay, Derek, thank you for popping in. What are you making though? We're apparently making Minecraft Pocket Edition, as was chosen by people in the chat. You can thank them for the extremely difficult challenge of having to make this. How do you do Perlin noise? Right, Roblox, Perlin noise. How do you do it? Basics of Perlin noise, 2D based. Well, we kind of need Yeah, we need 2D. 2D's fine. We don't need 3D yet. So... Oh, what the heck does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? What is that? What is this? Gave a like for Purling Noise. Thank you, Pug, and welcome to the stream. How are you doing? What is this? What is decline cookies? What is what fog screen is this? Fog screen. Blurry images generated X and Z value. Use math.noise to figure out the color. Example equals that. Huh? I would advise making more basic stuff first, like block placement, unless you already made that. I mean, block placement isn't going to be the hardest thing. Block placement's actually going to be one of the easiest things. It's literally the terrain. The terrain is one of the hardest things, and also saving the world, which I don't think we're going to get to. We're not going to get to saving and loading worlds. There's no way we can do that. Right. So... Hold on, if I copy this and put it into a frame, what happens? Like, what happens if I put this into a frame? So where is it? Where's starter GUI? Here. Right, so we're gonna insert object, we're gonna put a screen GUI, and then we're gonna put a frame, and then we're going to put a local script for this, I think. And we're gonna put that frame. Right, okay, I need to define frame. So local frame equals script.parent. What happens? I need a capital F, okay. So what happens if I run this? I don't think it's gonna do anything. Yeah, of course it won't. What if I do it in a normal script, huh? What if I do that? I don't think it's going to work still, but we might as well try it. So there we go, normal script, run. Yep, didn't work. Of course it doesn't. Yeah, but you should always do the basics, so if it doesn't work, you don't mess up the game. Yeah, we've done, like, basic stuff in the past, though, so it's fun to, like, mess around with stuff. But how does this work? What is the function? The function of Purling Noise is that, yeah, I know what Purling Noise is used for. What is a fog screen? A blurry image? Need a massive amount of frames. Oh! Oh, right, that's okay. Never, I was being stupid. I was thinking it wasn't gonna work, because you can't set it to multiple different colors. Yeah, that's talking about, like, having a bunch of different frames for all of it. Yeah, okay, that's fine, that's fine. Using a massive amount of frames, problem solved. Now let's say you tried to do this for your first test, but got this. You may have this. Issues, you're taking numbers, each minimum and maximum from the graph. So you want to do... You what? You what? Wait, you what? Sorry, Pineapple, I can't watch. That's okay, Wilson. What am I looking at? Hold on, right. So, local y equals 1 plus math.noise. Minimum is that, maximum is that. What? Hang one. What? What is that? What? What? I've got to go. I can come back. Oh, wait, hold on. I've got to go. If I can come back, I will line. What? What? How do you make the purling noise? How? What? Hello again? Hello, crazy please. You've joined me in a time of great confusion as I try and work out how on earth I could use purling noise. So, he's got something like that. I'll call... Next position equals position plus vector. X... What? I'm so confused. The Great Confusion? I only know of the Great Depression. Yeah, this is the sequel to that. The thrilling sequel. How do I use this? Next position equals position plus vector3 dot new. X add x. I assume that stands for integer, so x integer, y integer, z integer. What? 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 No, wait, that's in cave generation and pearl and worms. I don't want that. I want this. So, y equals 1, add math.noise, x, y, and seed, divided by 2. What? What? We did it? Well done, Leanne Tremaine. Fun fact, there's a Minecraft movie by a German YouTuber called Captain Pineapple. I've seen that! I've seen it, I haven't watched it. Like, I watched the first, 2 minutes of it, but of course it's in German, so I know nothing about it. But, yeah, I've seen that German film. It really threw me off the first time I found it. How do I do this? You know what? We're gonna go to a different thing. Purling noise and Brownian motion explained. Okay, but how do you use it? Oh, this guy's even using blocks. That's useful. So, running this won't do anything. We need to add our blocks into the equation. That's referring to that. Now we need to apply our purling noise. Oh, that didn't even have purling noise. Okay. I am so confused. So, right, size equals 200. That's, I assume, going to be their square of purling noise. Block size equals 1, so I assume they're gonna end up with a 200 by 200 stud thing. Frequency equals 10. What's that doing? Scale equals 200. What's that doing? Offset equals math.random large number. That makes sense because I do know that purling noise can be weird. For x equals 0 to size, do for z equals 0 to size, do right. Okay, so this is going to generate it row by row. Local noise equals math.noise. That's a lot of brackets. X plus offset, so that's just choosing where to start. Divided by scale. Okay. Times by frequency. What is frequency doing? I don't know what frequency does. And then Z add Z offset. So that's fine. Divide by scale and times by frequency. So again, what is frequency doing? Noise equals clamp. What is clamp? Noise -1 to what? I don't know what this means. What does all this mean? Block equals instance dot new part. That's fine. Block dot parent equals game dot workspace. Block dot size equals block size. Position equals that. Anchored equals true. Right. Right. Hello, Shade. Sorry I'm late to your stream. It started at 6 AM for me. That is fine. There's no obligation to be to the streams anyway. Right. Let's take out screen GUI. That's useless. Also, I did realise that this block isn't anchored. And it should be. Right. This is gonna go in server script service. We're gonna straight up just put that, not a part. We are going to put a script in here, and this is gonna be called terrain generation, and we're gonna number it because we could change this in future. So we're gonna go terrain generation 1, and I am going to think. I understand the code, sort of. I mean, look, right, okay, we're just gonna copy and paste it for now, just for now. Right, let's paste that, and our size we're gonna go to 10, because when we're testing this, I don't want it to be really small, and we're gonna set the scale to 10 as well. So, right, x equals 0, size do that, right. Now, we are going to define some stuff here as well, so let's come down a few lines. Local lighting equals game dot lighting. Then local cloning equals game dot not game lighting dot cloning. I'm listening to music, so I mute the stream. Sorry, that's okay, Dominic, don't worry. I mean, at least I'm getting watch time. Then please explain to me, thank you very much. What, the code? The code? What, explain the code? Yeah, I can definitely explain this code. Hold on. Local blocks equals game dot blocks. Not game. Why do I keep doing that? Cloning dot blocks. No? Block? What? Oh, that says changed. That's not what I want either. Cloning, there we go. Right, cloning.blocks, there we go. Okay. So then, local grass block equals game, not game. Why do I keep doing that? Right, blocks dot grass block. We're gonna go with that. Ah, yes, my iron farm is working. That is good. 1 by 1 in French. I don't know if I can do the French part. I could maybe do a tiny bit of Spanish, but not much. Right, so size sets how big our area is going to be. It's going to be 10 by 10, because we're doing it in a square. Block size is how big the blocks are. Now, the blocks are actually 2.5. Although I don't think that's actually needed in this. No, it is, it is. Yeah, it is. Right. So then frequency. I don't know what frequency does. It might be how quickly it changes. I'm going to make an assumption that that's what it is. Scale equals 10. And that's how compressed down our noise is, so that makes sense, I think. The offset is just to make sure that it's actually a randomly generated seed, because if you don't have an offset, you actually end up with very similar terrain each time, because it just generates in the same sort of place. Lighting, that's all stuff that I just defined. Right, so for x equals 0 to number or to size, that's fine. That's basically just going pick like the first row on x. I'm watching on 2 devices. Does that mean double watch time? Yes, probably, because it will consider it 2 separate views and 2 separate watch times. Except of course then if they go the whole duration of the stream, increase the average by that. So then it's task.wait. I assume that's just wait on this. And then we go z-axis as well. Local noise equals that. Right, that's fine. Now here we are going to block out that line. We're going to block out that line, and we're going to go block. No, wait. We're going to go local block equals grass block colon clone, and then block.parent equals game.workspace. That's fine. Block.size we're not going to do, and we don't need block.anchored either because that's already set. Let's run the code. Okay, we got a square. We got a square, which, I mean, it's a good square. It's a good square. It's not randomly generated though. But this is someone else's code, so if it doesn't work, then it's their fault, right? Let's come back to you. Why do we use around but the terrain doesn't alternate? Ah, right, so that's fixing that exact problem. So we add that code in. Yeah, I definitely knew this, guys. I definitely knew that you needed to do this, so that line just goes there, obviously. Where is amplitude? Amplitude, here. Like, guys, I very clearly knew that this is exactly what we had to do. This is exactly what we had to do. Okay, it did save the changes. Right, and the terrain generated up here, which was a bit odd, so it's still a square, which is not progress. Yeah, you knew from the start. I did know from the start. I knew exactly from the start. This would be a lot easier if, like, this would be a lot easier if there were pictures of what it was supposed to look like by each point. We need to apply some amplitude to our noise. This basically increases our value. If you ever learned waves and how they work, each one has a frequency and an amplitude to it. Amplitude is how high the wave is from top to bottom. Frequency is how big the gap is between each wave. Right, okay. Now we need to apply this to our noise. We multiplied our noise by an amplitude to increase how big each value is, which creates more detail and definition to our landscape. Now that you understand how to use Perlin noise, we need to discuss fractional Brownian motion, also known as layered Perlin noise. What does this do? Right, let's read through this code and see if we understand it. Size equals 200, block size, right, amplitude, that, what is that? Since you put our values back to that one. Huh? Huh? What? Right. We're gonna do another experiment, you know? Right, so we're just gonna do that and block out all of that code. And we're gonna paste that there and we're gonna see what this does. An absolutely amazing bit of terrain there. That is really cool. That's much better than, like, any purling noise that I think I've ever made myself. Have they got studs on the top? You have to add the studs on the top, don't you? Anyway, right, I definitely knew how all of that worked. So, right, here, we're going to local block equals grass. I didn't define it, so let's come back up here and just kidnap our bit of code and put it there. Equals grass block colon clone, and we can remove that. We can remove that, and we need to change our block size to 2.5. And if we run it... Oh! Okay, it's up there, and it's also huge and really laggy. This is fine, this is fine, yeah, this is... Huh. Huh, that's I mean, that's terrain. It's terrain. You can confirm that it's terrain. Okay. So how do people do this? How do people come up with all of this? Right. Firstly, let's remove the base plate as well. The base plate is really... Where is the base plate in all of this? Oh my gosh. This is a long list of blocks. This is a really long list of blocks. You know what? Let's pick a random block in this list and see where it is. It's there. Okay. Maybe make the blocks stretch to a certain Y level. Yeah, don't worry, we will do that. Once... Oh my gosh, this is laggy. That's really laggy. Right, okay, that's all fine, you know, that's all fine. It's just taking a year to stop. This is fine. I am AFK for an hour testing if my gunpowder and iron farm can go at the same time. Interesting thing to test. Yeah, this is fine. This is all fine. Oh, thank gosh. Oh my gosh. Right, we're gonna reduce our size down to just 20. Just 20, and we're gonna reduce the scale down as well. I think that's all gonna be fine if I just run this. Okay, I think I broke my code. That's fine. We're just gonna increase scale back up. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit better. Right. Okay. So I want to test something. Maybe. Right, so I want to see, because of course in Minecraft, when terrain generates, if it increases too much on the y-axis, it turns to stone. Like, you'll end up with a cliff wall. I wonder if we can do something with that. Actually, you know what? No, we're not going to do that yet. We're not going to do that, because that's a dumb decision. That is a really dumb decision. We are going to make our second block, meaning I'm actually just going to copy the grass block and change it a bit. So, paste into. There we go. Look at that. We've now got a grass block. So, our next block is going to be dirt, I guess. Like, we do dirt. Actually, hold on. I need to... If I... how do I do this? Each player's going to need an inventory. Like, the player's going to need an inventory. So if I go into start a player, start a character, right, and in here we're going to put a folder. And this is going to be... inventory folder, and in this we are going to think. I am stuck. I'm stuck. So we have our inventory folder. Do I make... I think this is one of the hardest challenges you've had. It definitely is. I might as well just change the stream to coding Minecraft. That's the wrong script. I'm looking in the wrong script. Right, break texture script. I have an idea, I think. So, we're going to put an int value in there. And this value is going to be called... if it wants to... there we go. This is going to be called grass block. And now we are going to... I can't do that. I can't. It's not going in here. It's not going in here. Right. Okay. You know what? I think we're fine. We're fine for now. We're gonna make dirt. That's dirt. That looks like dirt. Is there a better texture for dirt? Asphalt? No. Basalt? No. Brick? Absolutely not. Cobblestone? No. Concrete? Concrete works. I think concrete works. And this is going to be called dirt block. we're gonna call it dirt block. And we are going to duplicate this value. Not that. No, I duplicated the wrong thing. We're going to duplicate this, and we're actually going to call it dirt block. So, here we have our dirt block. Huh. So, in our grass block here, actually, right, dirt block, you can go into blocks. In our grass block, we're using this as the template for every single thing. In our grass block, we are going to put a script, and this is going to be called generate below terrain. And what we are going to do is local block equals script dot parent. And then we are going to do local blocks equals game dot lighting dot cloning dot blocks. And the reason we aren't just doing script dot parent is because if we did that, it wouldn't actually apply to lighting, it would apply to the workspace. So yeah. Right. I've just gotta think, you know? Just gotta think. So... If... No. If... Block... Dot... dot position dot y is is greater than, what's our maximum terrain height, guys? What's our maximum terrain height? I can't do 0 because the terrain actually goes below 0. So what's our maximum? Or no, what's our minimum? Sorry, minimum terrain height, not maximum, minimum. That's what I need. I could go like minus 50, maybe. Minus 50 seems correct. Minus 3. Can't do minus 3 because the terrain can generate like quite far below it. Or what I could do in the terrain generation, where is it? Generate, no, not that one. Terrain generation 1. If I do, so position equals that, times block size. If I do brackets around this, and then, wait. Add 100? Maybe? I think? So if I go add 100, that should mean that you'd have to go 40 blocks down for it to reach 0. I think that's fine. Maybe. Maybe. It's a big maybe. If it doesn't work, we can change it. So then, if I go, if it's above 0, then we're going to put terrain below it. We are going to generate terrain below it. And this is going to be how we lag out the entire game and destroy it. If block dot name equals grass block, then the block that goes below it is going to be dirt. This is why Roblox is going to shut down. I'm going to crash Roblox's servers. So, oh, actually, that reminds me. I will publish these changes. And now, if you want to go and play Terrain Generates completely out of your reach and up in the sky, you can. So, then, the next block is going to be dirt. The next block is just going to be dirt. So, if I go local next block equals blocks dot dirt block, and we're going to go next block dot position equals block dot position minus vector 3 dot new 0 2.5 0. I think. Actually, we want to do dirt block colon clone. Clone, there we go. Right, and next block dot parent equals game dot workspace. So what we should see now is all of the grass that generates should get dirt below it, which it didn't. That's a bit of a problem. It won't work in the game? What do you mean it won't work in the game? Look up. Like, are you looking up? Either that or the terrain's generated below the surface, because it can do that. Now, why didn't this work? Why have you not generated dirt below the grass? That was what I was hoping you would do, and the fact that you haven't done it is really concerning, because that was supposed to be, like, the easiest bit of code. If I go wait 1, can I do that? Just like wait 1. We will just leave it to wait, and then we will run it, and we'll see if it's never mind. Aha! Right, okay, we just need to wait 1. Because blocks, like the dirt block, didn't exist yet. Right. That was good. That actually generated quite smoothly. And now we get to work on that script. We get to work on that script. Wait. Right. We're making another change. We are going to put in cloning. We are going to put a script. We're gonna... not a script. No, remove it, go away, go. Right, we are going to put a folder. We're gonna put this folder, and this folder is going to be called scripts. And we're gonna put generate terrain below in scripts. Now, in our terrain generation, we are going to put, so cloning is there, local scripts equals cloning dot scripts, and then we're going to go local below terrain script equals scripts dot generate terrain below, and I'm going to put this in its own little section just so that it's easier to find. There we go. Right. And then up here, what we want to do is local new script equals below terrain script colon clone, and then new script dot parent equals what is it? It's going to be block. And I think that's going to be fine. That's going to be fine. And then now, if I just run the code again, make sure that it works, terrain generates up there, and everything got its block. There we go. That was nice. So, with that, we are then going to... we're going to work on the terrain generation a bit more. So, we're going to go else if block.name equals dirt block, then we're going to do a 50-50 chance, I think. We're going to do a 50-50 chance. Didn't Pocket Edition get removed from iOS and Android? Probably. Yes, both my farms are working at the same time. That is wonderful to hear, Fousey. Right. So, we watched a documentary today in school about milk and people are throwing trees in the city. What? What? Right, so, dirt block, we're going to generate a 50-50 number. So, local random num equals math.random 1 to 2. And we're going to go if math.rand, not that, no, we're going to go if random num equals 1, then next block. Why don't I just Yeah, that would be much better as a function. Yeah, that would be much better as a function. Hold on. I'm just thinking, just thinking. Yeah, that would be better as a function. So let's go local function gen next block brackets, and we are going to do next block dot position equals, right, yeah, we're just gonna basically paste that code in there. Next block doesn't exist, so we are going to pass it the function of next block, like that, or the argument, sorry, we're gonna pass it the argument of that. And we're actually gonna call it this next block pick. And here we put gen next block pick. And I think that works. That works nicely. So in here we are actually, and we can make this even better. We are going to make this even better. So here we are going to go nil. We're going to remove the local from that. Right, and then we're actually going to take the function out of the if statement because it's not needed there. It really isn't. We are going to put it there. And I think that's actually going to work nicely. So if that is there, we're gonna go next block pick equals blocks dot dirt block colon clone, so the same as before, and then we go else next block pick equals, and here is where we make our third block, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to make our third block, which is going to be a thing, a stone block. That is going to be a stone block. So we are going to paste into the workspace just so that I can see it. Let's go medium stone grey, and we will go with slate. And that is our stone block. And you know what I've realised? I never set the health. You know what? Dirt blocks would be weaker than grass blocks because, of course, like, well, of course they are. They don't have anything holding them together, so we'll go with that. And in this one, we're going to call it stone block. And this is going to be... where is it? I need health, don't I? Which is going to be in here. So max health. What health are we going to go with stone? What's our health going to be on stone? Watching a protest document. Huh. Milk prices were too high. People mad documentary. Huh. 30? What? So it's going to be 3 times the strength of grass. Is that what we're going with? 3 times the strength of glass? Not glass, grass. I mean, I guess, yeah, 30. Let's go with 30. Right. Okay, so. And then health needs to be set to 30 as well. So, stone block can now go into blocks. Generate terrain below, we're going to go blocks dot stone block colon clone. And what we should see next is, hopefully, it generates dirt. Never put the script in. It never put the script in. That's why. Okay, it's fine. Our code works. It's genuinely fine. Our code was just missing like a few lines. So what we need is this section. We need to put this into here. Wait, blocks equals clone dot block. Right, okay, we should actually define lighting here. So, local lighting... Actually, wait, hold on. I'm trying to work out what my own code is. Right, let's paste that again. And then just remove that quietly. So, lighting equals that. Scripts, please don't spam W in the chat, by the way, please. Right. So, lighting, cloning, scripts, blocks, right, okay. And then I can actually take out that line, because that's not needed. And I don't need to define grass blocks specifically. Okay. That's fine. And then we have below terrain script. That's all good, right. So then we just need to do local, actually no, we're gonna put it in a different place. We're gonna put it down here. So local script clone equals nil for now. And then in here we're gonna do script clone equals below terrain script colon clone, and then script clone dot parent equals next block, I think. So now we should see our code. It did what it was expected to do. It did what it was expected to do. And I think... So, it put an error message, but the error message seems to have not stopped it working, so... I'm gonna assume it's all fine. Like, if I just aligned... Yeah, it's all worked, it's all stone. Like, you can see it's all stone on the bottom. There's nowhere where it's dirt, so... That worked! It actually worked, right, okay. So... It's starting to work. It's starting to work. It's working here, guys. It's working. Now, the thing is, this is extremely, like, laggy and stuff. And I do kind of expect it because, like, it's really, like, generating, it's generating a bunch of cubes, and it's having to render every single one of them, even if it's out of your sight. So it's not great. It's not great. But it works for now. Also, in this script, we're actually going to add script colon destroy at the end, just so that the script calmly removes itself. Now, the next question is ore. Are we going to add ore? Or do we add trees? Because trees are gonna be a lot more complex. Like, they're gonna be a lot more complex. So... I'm not entirely sure what I would like to add. Right, also, this is gonna be called stone block. Trees are cool. Oh, ore. Are we going with ore? Ores are cooler. Actually, no, we're gonna go with trees, I think, because we actually kind of need trees, for the thing to work. So, sorry, Fuzi, your opinion was kind of irrelevant there, it wasn't needed. Right, so let's paste our grass block in here again. Now, what does our tree look like? What does our wooden block look like? Yeah, ore's easier, but it's, like, it's less necessary. Right, so if I make it wood, and then... Yeah, there we go. That's our wood. So, we're just going to call that wood. Amazing. It works. Right. Now... I am trying to work out how I can generate a tree. I'm trying to work out how I can generate a tree. Because... it's gonna be difficult due to the fact that, like, of course if there's terrain there, you don't want to generate them on the same space. You don't want to generate them on the same space. So how do we do this? I think I have a solution. What we are going to do is make what I guess I will refer to as test blocks or something. And what they're going to do is they are going to test whether a block is filled or not. And then they will, like, fill it in if it's empty, I think. That's probably the best way to get it to work. So I'm actually going to test this just quickly. So if I have a cube here, like I can have a nice cube here, and then I duplicate that cube and I have a smaller cube inside of it where technically none of its edges are touching because they're like inside each other. So none of them are actually touching. We're gonna put a script in here, and this script is going to be, we don't need to name it actually. So we're going to go local parts equals script dot parent colon get touching parts, and then we're just going to tell it to print parts. And we're gonna see what happens. We need to anchor them as well. So, is it going to print a part? No. That's annoying. It didn't print a part. This might sound very sad, but I'm gonna leave the stream in 9 minutes. That's okay, Crazy Plays. There isn't like there's like what am I trying to say? There's no obligation to watch the stream. Next week, hope there won't be any coding. Actually, it's not gonna be coding next week. Because, well, I'm hoping it's not gonna be coding next week. Because Kerbal Space Program 2 is coming out, and I kind of want to play that. So that's going to probably be what that's going to be what the stream is next week. Hypixel. Oh yeah, it's KSP2. Because I know that there's like actually a few people on the stream that, or like on the channel, that do like KSP, and it's getting a sequel, so yeah. Right. We're gonna scale up this part so that it meets it on the axis there. So, does it print... Oh gosh. This is really making it difficult here. Because it doesn't seem to get touching parts unless it's like one is actually passing through the... Or not, it just doesn't work. Oh! Huh, it prints like that. That's not what I thought it printed like. Wait, so was it working the whole time? Like, if it goes inside there, and it isn't touching any of the borders... It works! It works, it works, it works. Right, okay. That works. That means our little test thing can work. Now... I am going to duplicate the wooden block, and we're going to get rid of stuff that does not matter, like health and all of that. So that can all be gone. And we're going to call this test block. Now, the wooden block, I also realised we have forgotten to set its health. I'm going to go with 20, I think. I think 20 is a nice number for it. Right. So... something to do with printing a test? Yep, that's something we've now done. Tick. Right. I'm gonna make this, like, bright red. It's gonna be bright red because I'm hoping that it can stand out. So, in our test block, we are going to insert a script, and we're also going to insert an object value. And this value is going to be called ideal block. So, local part equals script dot parent, and then we're going to do local. Actually, we're going to tell it to wait like 10 seconds, maybe. I think. I think like we're gonna make it wait 10. Actually, is 10 seconds necessary? Right, let's not make it wait for now. And then we're going to do local other parts equals part colon not get children. That's actually something we don't want. We want get touching parts, and then we are going to do we're going to define ideal part as well. So we're going to go local ideal part equals part dot ideal block dot value, because it should have a value by then. And then we're going to go local. Actually, maybe we will make this wait by one. No, I don't know. Right. So we're going to go for count equals 1 to the number of other parts. Actually, we want to do 0. We want to do 0 to the number of other parts. Can we not do 0? Ah, is that not a thing? I can't do 0. If length of other parts is greater than or equal to 1, then. And then we're just going to take our code and put it in there, because that way I don't think that will break. So, we get other parts, and I don't know. Wait, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, right, we're talking about shorts? I thought like there was some sort of emergency or something. I see Will, every second counts, there should be no time wasted at all, and I was like, oh gosh, what's going on? It's about shorts. Okay. Right, so if other parts, square brackets count, dot position is equal to part dot position, then, and actually, do I want not equal to? Yeah, I feel like a not equal to would be easier, so there we go, just not equal to. And then we're going to go local new part equals ideal part colon clone new part dot position equals part dot position, and then new part dot parent equals game dot workspace. And I think that's good. I think that is good. And then we can just do part colon destroy. And what we're going to do is we are going to set ideal block to just wood right now as a test. So what we should see when this runs is this red block is going to turn into wood and then the red block will disappear. I hope. Okay. And we appear to have an error message up there as well. What's with the error message up there? Well, it's stopped, so oh well. Right, that was annoying, considering the fact that it just did that. Oh, wait, is it because there were no touching parts? Were there no touching parts? Or did it think that there were and it just didn't do anything? Right, run block test, we're gonna call it that. Bye, Crazy. Oh, goodbye, Crazy. I can see you're leaving. Right. So... how do we get this to work? How do we get this to work? Do I just... what if there's no touching parts though? Like, it feels like I'm gonna get an error message from something like this where there's no touching parts, but it thinks that there should be, or like it's trying to count to it. But right, if I just do that, okay, no, there's still no block. That's not good. If I move it up... okay, well, I don't get an error message, which is fine. Can I print other parts? So just print other parts. And let's... right, okay, so there's nothing there. But then if I lower it down, or put it back on the ground there, run, there's no touching parts. Why? Why are there no touching parts? I'm confused. I'm really confused. Why are there no touching parts? Because really there should be. There's a bunch of parts there. Like, why? I'm so confused. I'm really confused. I'm genuinely just like really confused on it. I don't know why that isn't working. I actually don't know why it's not working. Why is it not getting the other touching parts? Because it should. It really should. Like, look, there's parts there, unless they have to be intersecting. Don't tell me they... Okay. So that's a thing. What if? Wait, can I just do? Can I just like do that? And then up here, I can go if the part's position is that part : destroy. Can I do that? Is that gonna work? So like, right, if I run it, that's fine. If it's exactly inside, like they've got the same position. Okay, there's another block. That's problematic. Why? Why? Because they had the same position. That shouldn't have worked. That shouldn't have worked. So what if I put a weight value? Like, you know, just weight 10. Just any length of time where it would reasonably just not work because the script doesn't exist. Or not, you know, just don't do that then. Oh my gosh. I am so confused. I'm so confused. Hello, how's it going right now? Well, we've got terrain generation. That's a positive. Like, terrain generation works, and it generates dirt, and then it, like, starts generating stone and stuff. And we're trying to handle trees, but it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to handle trees. And I don't know why. It just really, it really doesn't like trees. Because it's not working down here. It's this bit that isn't working. Think of it like housing industry. Every meter is important. Every pixel is important. Wait, what? I'm now very confused. Right. Like, it placed the wood. It shouldn't have placed the wood, no matter what. Like, it just shouldn't have placed any wood. Why did that happen? Why? Why did that happen? We're gonna insert a boolean. We're gonna go local can generate equals true. And then in here we're going to put can generate equals false. And then here we go if can generate equals true, then let's just quickly indent that. And we go end. So then, yeah, so I have a feeling this is still gonna generate. It's still gonna generate. Yep, it did. Okay. What we are going to do is just I don't know. Like, can we do an if true on like get touching parts? Can we do that? If true roadblocks? Can we do that? Because I don't want to use touched because right, okay. We're gonna do if number of parts. Oh, where is it? Other parts, that's what it's called. If number of other parts equals 0, then, and we do that. So now we can do can generate equals false. Not that, I've done that wrong. Equals false, like that. And then... Why have you still generated? What are you doing? Why are you... No, wait, because that's if it is not touching parts. So I need if it's not equal to 0. Or in fact, we can even go one better. We can go less than or equal to 0. Why? Why have you done that? You've got a touching part. There is a touching part there. So why have you cloned it? Why is it cloned it? Captain, can you accept my friend request? I'm not gonna accept friend requests just because I'm, like, I kind of was doing that at the start, except now it means that I have a bunch of friends on Roblox that I don't actually know. So, I'm not gonna do that. My account is always set to, like, join if you want, though. Just because I do those, like, playing with viewer streams occasionally. Right, why is this generating? Just why is this generating? Because it shouldn't. It shouldn't generate if it's not got a reason. So why is it? Like, you have a touching part. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna disable generate terrain. No wait, that was the wrong script. Where's the terrain generation? Terrain generation 1. We're gonna just disable it. We're going to stop it from working. How are you doing today, Captain? I'm doing good. Just really confused at why this keeps generating wood when it shouldn't, because it really should not be. No, I need greater than, don't I? Wait. No, wait, hold on. If number of parts is greater than... Oh! If number of parts is greater than 0. There we go! Right, okay. That worked now. So I want to take the wood, and I'm pretty sure this isn't... I don't like it, though. I am going to make it so that its size is ever so slightly smaller than a block, because then the only parts that it will be touching are other blocks, really. Like that. It's not touching any other part because it's smaller than a block. So even if there's a block next to it, which is where it would be if it actually generated, it doesn't work. Right, okay. So now so wood blocks can go into block there. Now this, we have to generate a tree shape with it. I don't know how to generate a tree. So right, what's like a tree shape in Minecraft? It's just like I'm trying to think of what the trees look like. It's normally 5 blocks, isn't it? And then here, this one's important because this one actually needs to have different leaves. This one has to have different leaves. Pineapple, yes, Aiden. Right. So actually, we are copying and pasting our grass block again. So copy and paste into. There we go. We have our grass block. Right. So how do we do grass? Because there isn't. No. How do we do leaves? Because there isn't a leaf texture. Pineapple, can you friend me? I did say I'm not friending other people anymore. Right. Ooh, what about cobblestone? Cobblestone might actually kind of work. And then if we just do transparency, that kind of works. That actually kind of works. And then like if there's more blocks behind it and stuff, it gets hard to see. That actually kind of works. What do you think? Like, do we go with cobblestone? I can try other blocks as well. So like, what else is there? Asphalt? No. I'm just gonna go through all the materials again. Foil? Foil is decent. It could work. I could try grass and just like have it partially transparent. Yeah, it's best. You're gonna get the cobble. Wait, what? Are we going with cobble? Like, is cobble our final solution? Is that what we're going with? What does rock look like? No. It is, again, like, a lot of them are decent, but not perfect. Sand? No? What does sandstone look like? Again, like, could work, but... cobble, but turn transparency up a little? Wait. People do sometimes get confused. Do you mean, like, increase the transparency, making it more transparent? Or decrease it and make it less transparent? What are we doing? I feel like... no, not too high. I feel like 0.5 is probably decreased transparency. Right, okay. So... Oh gosh, what is it doing? Where are we gonna put it? So like that's 0. That's 0.25. That's 0.5. That's 0.75, and that's 1, which is, of course, invisible. I feel like maybe 0. I don't know, 0.5 seems to work best for me. I think 0.5 is, like, best in terms of, sort of, like, I'm trying to think. 0.5 is, like, best in terms of, I'm trying to think of what to actually, like, call it. Like, it's a mix between it's very obviously there and it's not, like, too in the way or something. Right, anyway, what I do need to rename it to is leaf, actually, yeah, leaf block. Max health, it's gonna be weaker than dirt. You know what? It can be like 2. It can just be 2. And then 2. Right. So, leaf block. Now, if I look at these, ideal block, it's still set to wood block. Okay. Right, and leaf block, we are going to put you into blocks. There we go. And this test block, your ideal block, is going to be the leaf block. There we go. And then we just need to make that tree shape that is in Minecraft. So do that and that. Yeah, you know, this is actually kind of working. Which I find a bit insane, because it should not be working. This is like the one project where it should not be going as well as it is. But it's working really well. Like, it's just not right, you know? It's not right. The thing that really should be the hardest, and it's somehow turning out to be one of the easiest. It doesn't make sense. Right, so move that up. This is a lot of parts that is going to generate all at once, but like it's hopefully going to be fine. So then we'll move that row up, and then it's these 4. And that. I really should be concerned at the fact that I know exactly what a Minecraft tree looks like. I really should be concerned at that. But right, I'm hoping if I run this, it's all gonna... It works. It actually works. That's okay, maybe cobblestone isn't the best texture. I don't know. It's not bad though, like, it's not bad. Right, now, the big test, if I put a part in the way of some of these leaves, so model, right, we're gonna go back to 0.25 studs. So if I put a part here, and make it just take off like those 4 corner pieces, and then that should be anchored as well. So run, and it doesn't put leaves there. And okay, yeah, there are cobblestone. There is a leaf block there. It looks really weird. It looked like there wasn't. A tree, tick, exactly, Fousey. We've got a tree. I'm really proud of that. I'm really proud of that. Right, so what we're going to do, we are going to group this. We are going to call it Tree 1. And what's the bottom test block? I need to find out which test block this is. I need, like, the very bottom test block. Well, technically I don't need the bottom test block, but it's probably the easiest one. That one. Right, okay. So it's the second from the bottom. So, tree 1. And primary part is there. There we go. Right, okay. I'm proud of you. Thank you. My assignment is almost done. Let's go. Well, finish it, Knight. Don't stop watching my content and distracting yourself from homework. Anyway, right. That worked, and I'm so happy with that. I'm really happy. Right, grass block. What we are going to do, actually, let's also add... So we're going to insert object, folder, and this, we're going to call it structures, and it's not going to be like Minecraft structures like our village or something like that. It's going to be trees. It's just going to be the tree. Although, now that we have that testing system working, we could, theoretically, add structure generation. We could. So. Maybe I should have added something to the test block there. I maybe should have added something to the test blocks. Which is... Should I have done that? Because what I have realised is now if there's test blocks... Yeah, if there's test blocks... No, wait, right, hold on. That wouldn't work, that wouldn't work. I've just realised that basically, like, if there's 2 trees, and they try generating next to each other, anywhere that intersects, it's just not going to generate. Which is not the best. Not the best at all. Why is leaves the cobble texture? Because it looks like leaves-ish. It's easiest as well. Right. Okay, we're gonna forget about that problem for now. What we are going to do is we are going to put tree generation in. So, tree generation. So, how often do we want a tree? For every block, like for every grass block, how often do we want a tree? That's like, that's our main question here. How often do we want a tree? I've got to wait for chat latency to catch up here. Like, 20? What, every 20 blocks? Because Fousey, here's the thing. So, like, every 20 sort of sounds like very few, but what you have to remember is the fact that our area is only 20 by 20. Like, our area is only 20 by 20, which means for every one of these rows, there would be a tree. Like, statistically. So you would have 20 trees fit into this area. Which is not much. Well, no, that's a lot. Like, there's not much space here. So that would be a lot of, like, that would be a lot of trees. So, maybe 1 in 100? 2,000 maybe seems too little. I don't know. I mean, we can mess around with it. That's the fun part with it. We can mess around with it. So, local part equals script.parent. And then we're going to go local random num equals math.random. I'm going to start at 1 to 100. If random num equals 1, then, and right, we are going to have to mess around with this. So we need local lighting equals game dot light. Actually, we don't need to define this really. We can just go local structures equals game dot lighting dot clone, not changed, cloning dot structures, because we only need to call it once, so there's no point doing a bunch of variables to it. Too little? Try 40 or 30? We can mess around with it, so I'll do 100. If there's too few, then I'll, like, decrease the maximum and stuff. Right. So, structures, yeah, that's fine, and then we're just going to go local tree1 equals structures dot tree1, because we could add more trees in future if we wanted. So then local new tree equals tree1 colon clone. And then new tree dot parent equals game dot workspace. New tree dot, actually wait, let's do this the line before. So new tree, and we're not even doing a dot, we're doing set primary part C frame. And we're gonna do C frame dot new, no wait, no. We're gonna go vector3.new part.position plus vector3.new 0 2.50. Now that may not work. Hello, Case Plays. Why did Crazy Plays block Aiden? I don't know. I don't know why anyone's blocked anyone. It's not my place to know, and I'm not gonna get into an argument over whether people should be unblocked. Right. Okay. Unable to cast vector 3 to coordinate frame. Makes sense. Okay, right. Let's go cframe.new and then put the vector in there because we can. So cframe.new, put that in there. Right, save and run. Okay, well the tree's down here. In fact, the tree is in the spot 0, 0. That's not what I expected. That's not what I expected. Why is it Done that. Okay, I understand. Thank you for understanding. What game are you making? Well, the original plan was make any mobile game, and then the chat decided on Minecraft Pocket Edition. I don't know why that was our decision. You can ask Fuzi, in fact. It was his idea. So, Fuzi, do you mind explaining why you chose the hardest game that I could, like, actually choose? Why is the tree generating down there? Why is it generating down there? What is the point of that? Why are you down here? What's this for? Like, why? Nice. Yeah, it's difficult. What is going on with the, like, textures there? That's weird. There's a bunch of trees here. Which is also concerning, because there shouldn't be a bunch of trees in the same place. That should be impossible based on our code. Why are the trees generating down there? Why are the trees down there? That's not... Tree as player uses spawn. Okay, we're gonna try something different. We are going to go part dot position dot x part dot position dot y add 2.5 part dot position dot z. There we go. So now if I run it, there's a bunch of trees down there. They're a bit far from where they're supposed to be. Why is it doing that? Why? Why do you do that? Why do you do this to me? Right, what if I don't set its, like, place? Because really, like, the group was... I'm so confused. I am so confused. So very confused. Right, what if I do wait? I'm gonna put wait. And we're gonna tell it to wait like maybe 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Hopefully that's enough. And it's down there. Oh, why? Why? How? We got terrain generation. We got like random blocks. We got all of that working. Why are we stuck on a tree? Why is that where we're stuck? How did we get this far? How, like, how did we get this far and then get stuck on a tree? I'm very confused, and I will be back in a second. Okay, I am back. Let's take off the be back soon screen. I think I am. That's the wrong thing. I didn't even know that was still open. I think I'm actually going to have to, like, look up how to use a C-frame. Because for some reason I'm actually stuck on this. Like, I'm actually stuck on this. Pineapple, one thing I've learnt living in a mesa biome, no matter how big the hills are, you can always climb over it. Sometimes you need to take risks, but you'll get over it. That should just be a motivational quote. Maybe without the mesa bit. Like, maybe without that bit. Just like, no matter how big the hill is, you can always get over it. Just something like that. Right, set primary part, C-frame, Roblox. Because what I'm pretty sure it's doing, it's getting an error message, so it's just defaulting its position to 0. That's sort of what it's doing, I think. And it's sort of throwing me off. Why is this the longest forums on just how to set a C-frame? Why what? Just what? Am I gonna have to watch a tutorial? Oh, it's a tutorial with like some hyper animated intro that's just wait. I'm very confused. Hi guys, hello Domini, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream again, because you were here earlier. Why am I stuck on this? Why am I stuck on this? Why have I got a vector3.new and then a vector3.new inside that vector3.new? That's another question. Why have I got that? That's a bit of a weird thing. I don't think that's going to change anything, but yeah. Oh yeah, also I got some shortbread. That was what I was doing in my... Well, it works. It works, so... That's good. Now, the question is, how did the trees generate? With 2 blocks. Okay, kind of concerning. But it works. So, there we go. That's some good news there. The code works. Right. I wanna fix that, like, tree generating inside of a tree. So we're gonna go with wait math.random, and we're gonna go, right, there's 30 ticks in a second, so times that by 3, so we're gonna go 1 to 90, and then we're gonna divide that by 30. No, wait, no, that's an awful decision. What am I doing? What am I doing? Just like, right, we're gonna go 1 to 300. And then divide it by 100. So if we get 300, it'll turn into 3 seconds. If we get like 250, it'll turn into 2.5 seconds. And that randomization should hopefully just mean that the trees can generate a bit. Okay, well it helps if we get more than one tree, you know? Right. That looks like, yeah, there's leaves inside of the grass, which is exactly what it was not supposed to do. Let's add a pair of brackets, and that didn't add a pair of brackets, thank you very much. Right, no, wait, no, it did add a pair of brackets, what am I on about? No, it didn't. Right. Add a pair of brackets, and... add a pair of brackets. And we are going to go at 10. That should be enough time for the terrain to generate. I think. So, are we going to get a tree? We're not getting it. There's a tree. There's another tree. That was oddly late. Right. So, are there leaves inside of the... Okay, well, it helps if I find a place where I can actually test that. Right. This grass here, there's definitely a leaf inside of that. Why? Why are you doing that? Why? You're not doing your job. You're not doing your job. Why? Like, is legitimately just not doing its job. And I find that really weird. Because it's still just generating stuff inside of blocks. And it's like, that's the whole point of what the script does. It stops it from generating inside of a block. So why is it doing that? Why is it generating like that? That's my main question. Why is it generating inside of a block still? I'm really confused at that. Now the question is, do I leave it and work on like breaking and placing blocks down? Or do I spend ages trying to fix that? I'm leaning towards the leave it and just assume it's fine. Like, that's on the side of leave it, right, good. So, the next thing that we need to work on is like the fundamental part of Minecraft, which is breaking and placing, the mining and not crafting. That worked better in my head. So this event, we are going to call it... What are we going to call it? What do we call it? Someone come up with a name. Break event? Yeah, break event, that works. Break event. And then, so, starter player, we're not going, we're gonna need starter player scripts. So, this is going to be breaking block. So, local player equals game.players.local player. Local mouse equals player : get mouse. Mouse dot button one down connect brackets function, another pair of brackets. And right, we're gonna need some other stuff, so we will need hit actually. Is it hit? Yeah, hit. I think it is. Just like mouse hit. I don't know. It helps if I spell mouse. Mouse hit, I think, like that. Okay. And we're also going to need to set up some other stuff. So local replicated storage equals game.replicated storage. Local break event equals game dot, no, not that, right, replicated storage dot break event. So now we're going to need to fire at the server the mouse position, the player position, I think, and then actually no, we don't need to do that yet. like, specifically yet. So, I'm thinking here, I am thinking, we need the character, we need the character, so local character equals game dot, not game dot character, equals player dot character. And then we need local head equals character dot head. And actually we're going to do wait for, oh my gosh, I can't speak properly, I'm eating shortbread. Equals wait for child, head. There we go. Imagine this getting more popular than other Minecraft Roblox games. I mean, if it does, I'm not gonna get anything from it. Right. You know what though? I am amazed at how well it's working so far. Like, it's doing oddly well for one of these streams. It's been 2.25 hours. Like, bearing in mind the fact that these streams are normally 4 hours and they take a year, I'm surprised it's done so well. I gotta go, but thanks for tips, Fousey, and see you around. Good night, morning, evening, wherever you live. Goodbye, Will. Have a good time. Right. So. I'm still eating this shortbread. I got 2 little sticks of shortbread, and this is still the first one. So. We need mouse paws equals mouse hit dot position, I think. And that needs to be local. So local mouse paws equals mouse hit dot position. Is that right? It doesn't feel right. How to get mouse click position Roblox. Like, I'm pretty sure that's on a UI. I don't want that. I want like the position of the, wait, how do I get the mouse position? What the heck? Okay, there we go. Sorry, the page just completely failed to load there. And this one has no answer. That's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. I'm pretty sure what I've got is correct. But I don't know. I don't know. And it's really annoying me. It's really, really annoying me. Right, anyway, so I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, hold on. Wait, have I just found it? Have I just found it? No, I haven't. Right, I'm gonna hope that that's correct, and if not, I will go back and look at a bit of code from, like, last time, because I know that I wrote a similar bit of code in that. So, local head pass equals head dot position, and actually, I'm going to define these down here as nil. So mouse paws equals nil, and local head paws equals nil. Right, and then I can take out the local up here, and that actually is like a tiny bit less processing. When you have a custom keyboard with different fonts, trying to make Pineapple suffer by reading this, that is quite easy for me to read. I'm back. Hello, Leanne Tremaine. Welcome back. I got shortbread. It's really nice. Anyway, there's the game I want to show you. It's piano related. Huh. Sounds interesting. Sorry, I'm eating shortbread. It's really nice. So, I think what I need to do is break event colon fire server. And we are going to give it the mouse position and the head position, I think. Bread, butter it and toast it. No, it's shortbread. Not bread, but like shortbread. And actually, we can make this easier. Because we can do magnitude here. So local distance equals nil. Right. Not tall bread. No, it's shortbread. Yeah, it's not tall. It's really nice though. Welcome, actual park. I don't know if you've just come back or if you've been here the whole time. This is really nice, and I really should stop eating on my streams because it's probably not the best. But it's really nice shortbread. And I need energy. Right. So, here we're going to do distance equals mouse paws minus head paws. That's an equals. Wait, how do you work out distance? Oh, how do you do this? Pineapple, stop talking whilst you're eating. I will talk while I'm eating. Because I can, and you can't stop me. So take that. Right. I'm also trying to work out where my old game is, because I have absolutely no idea how to do this. Right, experiences. Where is it? Why is it saying experience not found? Show me every experience I have. No experience found. Are you kidding me? Roblox, please work. Speed divided by time. Hello, Ronald. You come at a time where I'm eating something. So my audio quality probably isn't the best. Plus, I keep looking away from the microphone. I'm looking at a different screen. Right. We're gonna open up a older project because I'm genuinely stuck on this. I've forgotten how to do all of this. So who remembers this? That's an Epic Games notification. This was Spogborts, our last coding project. So 1 to local script here. Mouse pos equals mouse.hit.position. That's what I needed. Okay, so first thing here, mouse.hit.position. There we go. And right. Wand pause is that. And then I just fired it to the server. So from here, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna like copy and paste the raycast script. Yeah, I'm gonna copy and paste the raycast script because I hate writing all of this out. Well, some of this doesn't need to be like written out, but right. So yeah, that's the raycast, and that's dot magnitude. So that's how far it went. So really, what we need is this. We need that, which is what I thought. Okay, right, that's all fine. Why have I got 9 Discord notifications? Oh, 17 of them are, well, it was 9 plus, yeah, 17 of them are from... 17 of them are from, like, completely different things. Only got 1 month to live? Wait, who's only got 1 month to live? Well, I'm confused. I wasn't keeping up with chat. What's going on? I'm very confused now. Right. No, that's the wrong thing I've just opened. Right, here. So, we are going to put this in brackets, and then we're going to do dot magnitude And then we're going to do if distance is less than or equal to... What's 5 times 2.5? Hello Moddy P as well, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. What's 5 times 2.5? 10 add... Wait. Add 0.5... 12.5, right? Yeah, 12.5. I can do maths. I'm good at maths. Right. So if it's less than or equal to that, do that. Right. Okay. So actually, what we're also going to do is we're going to tell it to print hello or something, just so that I can test that this maybe works. I need to actually play it, not run it as well. Right, play. And it's loading. Right. Okay, well it isn't... It's not printing anything. That's a slight concern. The fact that it isn't printing anything. No matter how far away I go, or... Okay, we have a slight problem. We have a slight problem. This is the last bit of shortbread, by the way. It's 4:30 PM? It is 4:30 PM. We have a slight problem. I don't think this is working. It is detecting a click, right? So if I do print, I don't know, hi, and also I don't think that's actually needed, so we're gonna remove that. But if I just do print hi, wait for child. Wait, attempt to index nil with wait for child. Oh, because it's not in yet. Right, okay, this needs to wait to load. So we're gonna do wait 5. So you can't do anything until it's been 5 seconds. So... Oh my gosh, but then that starts, I get a bunch of error messages. Right. Disable the terrain generation for a second. So... Wait 5 seconds. Oh! 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 It works! It works! Look at that! It works! Hell yeah. We will hit 120 subs. Well done, Fuzi. How'd you hit 120 subs? Did you upload, like, whilst the stream was going or something? Or have you just suddenly gained, what is it, like 3 subscribers out of nowhere? Anyway, right. So, that works. Which is good, and it can actually detect our distance as well. Which is great. So, now we need to work on the main script, which is going to be a bit more complicated because we've got to do raycasting. Yeah, it's our favourite thing. Right, subscript service, we're going to put a script, and it is called break block script. Right. Local replicated storage equals game.replicated storage local break event equals replicated storage dot break event, and then we're going to do break event dot colon on, no, wait, no, dot on server event, colon connect, brackets, function, another pair of brackets, we're gonna put player, and what order did we put them in? Mouse pause, head pause, right, mouse pause, head pause, there we go, and let's remove the capital there, and down a line, right. So, we actually didn't need to pass head pause, you know? Yeah, we actually didn't need to pass. No, wait, no. It's good that we passed head pass. It's good that we did. Right. We're going to cast a ray. We are casting a ray, which I hate because raycasts suck. So I'm just gonna copy this code in here, just completely by accident. Like, oh, look at that! I suddenly wrote all of that at once. Right. So this is gonna be head pass. Everywhere where it says wand, we're changing it to head. So head pause, mouse pause.magnitude, all of that works, right. Raycast instance.name, that's just printing stuff, right. That's cloning. That is cloning. We're not doing that. And we're actually not doing that either. So, what we are going to do is raycast.instance. Actually, wait, let's make it a variable, shouldn't we? Right, so local block hit equals you know, that thing, nil, that, and need a comma, there we go, not a comma, a space, right, block hit dot, no wait, no, block hit equals raycast dot instance, and then we're going to do block hit dot health minus equals 1, and that needs a value as well, so dot value. And for now that's fine, I think. Right, also, so you may have noticed the thing, you may have noticed the thing, which is the fact that the player spawns absolutely nowhere near the terrain at all. Like, where even is the terrain? The terrain script is cancelled as well. That would be a good thing to just, like, there we go, bring that back. Right, so the terrain is up there. That's a bit of a problem, because we don't want the terrain to be up there. We want it to be where we are. So, right, I am going to run the game. I'm going to run the game. And we are going to grab the position of this nice block here, or something. So, roughly in the center of where it is. We're going to go to the spawn, we're going to paste that, and we are going to move it up in the air a bit. And we'll keep Kankalide on, because why not? And all of that was worthless because right, position, paste, right, and move it up a bunch. And now, if we hit play, we should spawn above the map nicely. Yep, all the way up here. So that's nice. Right, now, you worked once, why are you no longer working? I can see the cracks. I can see the cracks, mate. I can see that you... Sorry, I'm just... Is it... was that, like, getting worse? Is it working? I don't think it is. I don't think it is, considering that its health is 10. Because it's hitting the humanoid root part. Okay. It's hitting the humanoid root part, so we need to give it the character so that it doesn't do that. So, character. I think. Wait. So then, how do you blacklist stuff on a raycast? Raycasts, blacklisting parts, Roblox. Right. How do you make a raycast blacklist parts? Right, so Is that what it is? I think. Wait. How do you... Wait, how does this work? How... Filter descendant... Wait, what? Raycast blacklisting. Right, Where is it? Where is it? I know that it exists. I know that that's what you would use for it. I'm just trying to work out how you actually do it. Raycast params equals raycast params.new. Okay, right. We're just gonna, like everyone, we're just gonna type a quick bit of code and like, oh, there we go. I'm so quick at typing. So quick at typing. Ignore what that says. so quick at typing there, aren't I? Right, I think that's fine. So now if I have we got this? Right. So let's health is not a valid part of workspace humanoid root part. Why are you still looking at the humanoid root part? You're not supposed to do that because I've told you to filter out. Oh, because I did this wrong. Wait. Origin direction. Raycast params. Or parameters. That's what it was. Oh my gosh. Okay, the terrain can generate a bit higher than I thought it could. That's concerning. I didn't know the terrain could generate that high. Which also means it can probably generate a lot lower than I thought it would, meaning the bottom of our world probably isn't enough. There we go, look at it. Now I can stand as low as I want. And right, I know that this kind of is a bit weird because it doesn't like. Oh, that's cool. Look, I accidentally made it line up on that side there. Didn't make it line up anywhere else, but like it lines up there, and that's what matters. I should have made it line up across multiple. Look at this. You can break things. You can break things, kind of, and if you go too far away, you can't break things. But if you get close enough, you can break things. Okay, right. So. That's what's now good about that. But now we can do if block hit dot health dot value is less than or equal to 1, then no, wait, no, we want 0. We want 0. Then we are... Right, can I just say, we're going very old school Minecraft Pocket Edition, where it's like the world was absolutely tiny, and as soon as you broke an object, it would automatically go into your inventory. That's my excuse for this. Captain, yes, Leanne Tremaine? Oh yeah, release it! Sorry, I've forgotten to release all this. Right. What we're going to do is block hit. Actually, we need its name. So we're going to do local block name equals nil here, and then we're going to do block name equals block hit dot name. Guess what? Not that. I was gonna say it's 8 days till my teenagers. Happy birthday in advance! Woo! I don't know if the clapping comes through the mic because it may actually filter it out. I don't know. Happy birthday! Anyway, alright, sorry. I moved on so quickly there. That felt mean. I wasn't trying to be mean. I wasn't like, oh, that's really cool. Anyway, moving on. Right. It does? Yay! Actually, do I have like a... Can I get... I don't have a confetti thing. I don't have like a confetti noise. I would use like a kazoo or a party, like... I should get one of those. For my streams, I need to buy like one of those party... What are they called? You know, the things where like you breathe into it, or you blow into it and it goes... Those? You know, like the roll-up plasticky things? Like, you blow into it and it goes... And like the plastic unrolls? What are they called? Why can't I remember the name of them? Can someone remind me of the name of them? What are they called? Birthday poppers? No, because they're the things where like... And they're called party poppers. They're called party poppers. Get it right, Fousey. Pathetic. What is it? Why can't I remember the name of it? Why can't I remember the name of what they're called? The things, like the plastic that like unravels as you blow into it. Is Knight here? I bet Knight knows what it is, and I think Knight's left. I don't know. Like, surely someone knows what these are called. Because you're old? Okay, it's called a party horn? It's not a party horn. There's no way it's called a party horn. Party horn. According to Google. No, oh, wait. They're not called that. Surely not. Alternate name. Party horn, party blower, or party pipe, or party elephant, or party blowout, or a noisemaker, or a party whistle, or a party honker, I'm sorry. Right, so the many names for it: party horn, party blower, party pipe, party elephant, party blowout, noisemaker, party whistle, party honker. I think this one's my favourite. A to-do-dar. A to-do-dar. A to-do-dar. A noise popper, a birthday kazoo, a whizzer, a blow tickler, a tongue kazoo, a party snake, a... Oh, is a horn filled with... Okay, yeah, right, less exciting as soon as it moves on to how it works. A to-do-dar. That's, like, that's... I think that's probably my favourite one. Captain, I have an early B-Day request. Oh, gosh. I'm bad at presents. I'm not good at, like, presents and stuff. Oh, gosh. Also, how... What was I actually coding? This thing, right. How many blocks have we got? Does someone know? How many blocks have we got? I don't remember how many we've actually made at this point. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks, right. Pineapple, sing all your viewers happy birthday video on their birthday. What do I do with 1.4 thousand? What do I do with 1.4 thousand people? I'm back, Pineapple. How's the game? The game's going well. We're just making it so that the block gets destroyed, except I need to make it so that it adds to your inventory. Which I haven't really done yet. So, right, there's 5 things currently. And really, the leaves don't need to drop a thing yet, so I'll go with 4. We just need wood. So, duplicate, and we are going to go... wood block. For my birthday request, I want you to play Doors Update with me after stream. No. Oh gosh, How about, because I don't know when I'll be back after the stream, because I always end it when I need to go to dinner and stuff. The last thing we do on the stream is play Doors. Last thing we do on the stream is play Doors. You scared? I am scared. I don't like that game. Well, I like it in a way, but not really, like, I don't know. I just realised my own phone works when I'm at my tent base. Well, that's even better. Yes, perfect. VC2? Probably. Right. What was I even doing? Here, this. Right, okay. You know what? Let's add leaf blocks. Right, so we're gonna add a leaf block here. Gosh. We have character. So let's go local inv folder equals nil. And what I can then do is back like here or something. I can define the inventory folder. Actually, I can define it in here. In folder equals character dot inventory folder. Pineapple is insane. I'm not insane. Well, maybe I am. I don't know. I've given up arguing it. Wait, see you, Pimble? Wait, are you going? Are you going now, Milk? Goodbye. I mean, I think you've already gone, but you won't be live in 8 days, though, right? It'll be 7 days till next Monday. Yeah. I stream once a week, apart from times where I can stream more, like last week. Right. So, inventory folder. Oh gosh, right. We're gonna go local inv items equals nil here. And then we go inv items equals inventory folder dot, no, not dot, colon, and it's Foozy's favorite thing, get children. With brackets. So, inventory folder, colon, get children. Then... So then... Wait, get children. And then, what we do is for count equals 1 to number of inventory items, do if inventory items square brackets count dot name is equal to the name of the block, so block name, then inventory items dot value plus equals 1. And I think that is actually going to work, because I don't think any of you realised this, but when I was coding it earlier, I made it future-proof so that I could add the inventory easily, so I really hope that it works now. I don't know what all of these error messages are, because they keep appearing, and then, like, they're all fine afterwards. Attempt to index nil with position. Well, clearly you're fine, because you work. Oh gosh, wait, no, wait, no, take me back to client side. Right, okay, so, I never made it so the block gets destroyed. That was stupid. Right, let's close that. Right, I can actually remove that. Actually, let's keep it, because what I can do is I will know whether it works or not, because it will either destroy the block or it won't. When are you publishing it? I do need to publish it. I will publish it in a second. Hold on. Right. This is where, like, the game crashes or something and I lose all of this progress. Okay, the fact that that isn't working is bad. Why is it printing the name of it? Right, so it prints the name of it. Add on nil and number. What? Oh, wait. This, inventory items, square brackets, count, square brackets, dot value, run, and we're gonna test this again, see if it works. So, down here, it worked, kind of. Wait, so if I check inventory folder, that was grass block that we... Oh my gosh, it works. I am a genius, absolute genius. Right, did any of you watch that show? I've asked this on stream before. Have any of you ever watched it? Pineapple Makes Me Scared? You should be scared. You should be scared of this absolute power. Look at this. I have coded a game that took 10 years to get to where it is, and I've coded it in one stream because this is absolutely perfect. There's nothing wrong with this. Let's see. Look, we can dig, you know? We can dig. We're doing a good job here. Look, speed run to bedrock here. Well, there isn't bedrock, but look at that. You just have to click on it for a really long time. It's a good like index finger. Is it index finger? Pointing finger workout. I'm better at Pineapple at coding. Do you mean better than Pineapple? Digging, tick. Yes, we have done it. Inventory picking up, tick. Pineapple has gone insane. That's not a tick. That's coding, tick. Yes, we've done it. Okay, so now actually placing a block is going to be a bit easier. So if we just duplicate this, we can call it place event. And what I'm going to do, I may actually just keep this the same. Maybe. Because if I just do this, and I do button 2 down. Yeah, button 2 down. Yep, that is the right mouse button. I can do all of that. And instead of firing at the break event, I can I can fire at the place event, which I have made. And here we go, call this place event. So here, place event, fire server. And then this. Now, this is where, actually, wait. Hold on, I've just realised. We haven't got a system that picks the block yet. That's problematic, you know? That's problematic. Anyway, right, so, first to like your game, thank you, Leanne Tremaine. You see, Leanne Tremaine is a dedicated fan of the channel. Leanne Tremaine is an example of what you should be. Right, anyway, so, what I'm gonna do, is I'm going to place a block, first a favourite, and Fuzi is also a dedicated fan, and he's the first to follow. Fuzi is also a dedicated fan. Anyway, right, I need to define place event here as well, don't I? So local place event equals replicated storage dot place event. Right. So first to say first to everything. Oh, is that true? Did no one else do everything else? Now here's the question: who's going to be the first to advertise the game? I'm just gonna use all of my fans as free marketing. Just like, here's a question. Who's gonna be the first one to share this stream to all of their friends? Huh? Who's gonna be the first one to buy a billboard with a link to my channel? Who's going to be the first one to do that? Right. So, place Fenn on server event. Right. So, we can get the player's inventory. We know that. So, I'm gonna write all of this from... wait. So, we can actually go from here. So, we need, inventory folder. So, inv folder equals character dot inventory folder. Then we need inv items equals inv folder colon get children. Actually, no, we don't need that. We don't need that yet. We don't need that. Because we don't need that yet. We don't need that. It's fine. Found your little dummy on the floor. Yeah, he's still there. He's still there. Right. I already have no friends, so I was the first to play. Oh, Fuzzy. That's kind of sad, you playing my game first. Right. So, inventory folder, and what I'm gonna do is inventory folder dot grass block dot value minus equals 1. And actually that should be in an if statement too, so if inventory folder dot grass block dot value is greater than or equal to 1, then, and then we can put this in here. And then what we want to do is we actually need blocks. So we need all of the same blocks from here, actually. So yeah, that's actually oh wait. Can I can reverse it. I can reverse all of this as well. That's gonna be cool. Right, sorry, I'm getting distracted. So local lighting equals game dot lighting. Local cloning equals lighting dot cloning. Hello, Agent British as well. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Let me guess, I am late. You're not late. Not until the stream's over or until we give up. Local what do I need? I need blocks. That's it. Local blocks equals cloning dot blocks, and then local grass block equals blocks dot grass block. Okay. And actually, I'm going to do it as colon wait for child. So colon wait for child, grass block. There we go. Okay. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to do local block. Actually, let's call it new block. So local new block equals nil up here. And then we'll do new block equals grass block colon clone. I just realised whenever you place grass, it's going to have a chance of growing a tree. I've just realised that. Whenever you place grass, it's going to have a slight chance of growing a tree. I'm sure that's fine. That's gonna be fine. That's how you can have a wood farm. We're not gonna make it so you plant saplings, we're just gonna make it so you sit there and, like, place down a block of grass until it grows a tree. Okay, right. So, new block equals that dot clone. New block dot parent equals game dot workspace. Then we need to set its position. We need to set its position. And I don't like this because I'm going to have to round it to a multiple of 2.5. Do you know how difficult that's going to be? I have to round stuff to a multiple of 2.5. And get it closer to the player as well, because it can't appear inside the block. Oh, this is problematic. This is very problematic. How do I get it to go inside a block? Or not inside. I need it to go closer to the player. So... can I find the position of something based on a direction and a distance? And then round that. Can I do that? Huh. Am I able to do that? Can I do that? Is that allowed? Is that allowed? Can I do that? No, wait. Actually, that may not work. But it'd be in very specific circumstances where it doesn't work. So could it work? Could it work? I'm stuck. Right, okay, you know what? Let's get rounding done first. Roblox. How to round a value to a multiple of 2.5. Right, rounding numbers to the nearest 5. I can hopefully just, like, get it roughly done from that. Huh. Wait, is that... hold on, sorry, I'm just working something out. Just trying to... okay, right, I need to use math.floor, which is a bit of an odd number. Right. So, new block dot position equals raycast dot position. Actually, wait, hold on. Oh gosh, wait. Ah, this is okay, right. Local ray. Wait, no, wait, no, we're going back. We are going to do local ray pos equals nil, and then here we will do ray pos equals raycast dot position. Then we will do... what will we do? Hold on. Oh! Nightmare's back. Agent Leanne... wait, Agent Leanne is still here? Maybe just not speaking? Oh my gosh! The plot twist here. Okay, right, so... raypos equals raycast dot position. So then I can do raypos.x. Have I got to do this for all of them? Have I got to do this for all of them? Really? Really? Oh my gosh. Right, okay, hold on. This is getting confusing. Right. Vect3 dot new math dot not f mod or whatever floor raypos.x divided by 2.5 times 2.5. That's the code for it, I think. And then if I do a comma and do it again, and a comma and do it again, I can change that to Z, this to Y, and this actually needs to be a capital X. And I think, like really think that will work. And there's nothing there that's still needed. I think that's gonna work. But it's a very big, like, if here. Like, this is a very big if it works. So I can dig all of that. Place. Okay, right, I saw something there. I don't think I have... Right, okay, I need to pick up more grass. More grass, more grass. Come on, pick it up. I don't think it worked. I don't think... Wait. Wait, no, wait, it did kind of work, but wrong. Sort of. It worked, but not correctly. If I place it there, there's multiple blocks there now. Oh, it did exactly what I was hoping it would not do. Wait, oh gosh, wait, hold on. Yeah, it's... Wait, I'm confused. So, I'm just placing grass inside that block. That's what I was doing there. I was just placing grass inside this block. That's why there's now a bunch of grass here. It's concerning, concerning. Right, okay, I love how we barely fit inside the trees as well. So it kind of works. It was placing the block just in the wrong place. Meaning it needs to move towards the character a bit. But the thing is, moving it towards the character can kind of screw it up in certain cases where, like, you move it and it crosses over a border, so therefore it tries moving a bit further and it actually places it in a different place. Why does it take so long to break? Because the health is set really high. You just have to spam click. That's just how everything breaks. You've just got to spam click it. There's a bunch of dirt inside that block. Why are there multiple blocks of dirt? Okay, I mean, you're making something that's around the same quality as Minecraft on the Nintendo DS, 3DS, like a piece of TNT and it crashes. I mean, technically, right, you guys have all seen what Minecraft looked like when it was first made. Like, it was just a flat area of grass and cobblestone. Our version is better. It's got variation in terrain, and you can kind of place blocks, you just place them all in the completely wrong part. It's fine. Absolutely fine. Just thinking. I need to move it closer to the player. Can try another raycast. We could do another raycast and then see where that one ends up. But that's kind of a bad decision. Oh, wait, is it a bad decision? Is it a bad decision? Because it could actually sort of be a solution. Right, okay, so I need some grass. Need a bunch of grass, you know? Bunch of grass. So... oh no, because it checks the distance. What? Why did it place there? Why is it placing there? What? Would you... Why is it placing there? Why is it placing there? Why would it place there? Maybe I should just do it based on mouse position. Sorry, oh gosh, that's the escape menu. That's not even what I need. Mouse position, where are you? Mouse pause. And here we're gonna do mouse pause. And here we're gonna do mouse pause. And I don't think that's going to change. Well, it will change a tiny bit. Is there gonna be a way to craft? Maybe. That's a problem for future me. Why are the leaves the stone texture? Because it looked the most like leaves. There aren't many options. Right, so pick up a bit of grass and stuff. There we go. Just pick up the grass. Place. So confused. Where did that go? I placed another block. Where did it go? What? 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 How has it ended up there? How'd you end up there? I've right click here. You end up there. What? Where did that place? Where did that go? Into that block. Okay. Yep. Makes sense. You know. And that one went. That was actually the most accurate one. Okay. That one was a bit more accurate. I mean, it should have placed on the top. I mean, it's kind of working. It's placing blocks. It's doing the bare minimum. It's placing blocks, just not in the correct place. It's a real conundrum, you know? Real big conundrum. I don't know how to fix it. I just don't know how to fix it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. How can I fix it? Either that or I just instantly move on to playing Doors because it's Leanne Tremaine's birthday. Just fix it. I don't know how, Foozy. It says in the description of these streams, I'm not a master coder. I'm stuck. I'm genuinely stuck. I don't know how to do it. How do I do it? How do I do it? It's gotta move closer to the player. That's the thing. It's got to move closer to the player. By a slight bit, like the tiniest bit. And I don't know how to do that. I'm genuinely stuck. Genuinely just stuck. I am genuinely just stuck. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. I actually just do not know. We have carpal tunnel if I carry on at this rate. Are you just digging out like the whole area or something? Are you just digging it out? Oh gosh. How could I get it to work? How can I get it to work? I mean, technically, I've done it. I've made a mobile game. I mean, it's better than most mobile games, I'll be honest. What I have made in the span of 3 hours and 20 minutes is better than a lot of mobile games. It's just maybe not the best. And I'm under the terrain. And now I'm inside the terrain. I've made a good game here. Like, what I have made is better than a lot of mobile games, so it's a question of, are we done, and do I play Doors for Leanne Tremaine's birthday? This is where I find out it's not actually Leanne Tremaine's birthday, I've just been lied to or something. Why is it always a slope? It's never, like, flat or something. Oh, there's the trees. Yep, the trees are here. That's wonderful. And there's leaves inside of leaves. Don't you just love that? Wait, it is actually, wait, I'm serious. I was trying to work out what SRS meant. 28th February, huh. Wait, what's the date today? 20th, okay, so this is a week, yeah. And I'm not doing Roblox next week, so yeah. Do we move on to Doors? Do we move on to Doors? Like, do we move on to Doors? Moving on to Doors? It's up to you guys. Maybe I should do a poll. Poll would probably be easier. Like, early birthday special. Yeah, that is literally what I'm doing. I can do a Q&A? Wait, what? Hold on, sorry, I'm working out how a Q&A works. Hold on. Start Q&A. How does this work? How does this work? I don't know how this works. What have I just done? Doors. How are you? I'm doing good, Fousey. I'm doing very good. I don't know what this looks like for anyone because I've literally never even seen someone use this feature. Has anyone ever used this feature? Like, has anyone ever used this feature of a Q&A? Am I your favorite subscriber / employee? I can't decide. I can't decide between my fans. I can't decide between my fans unless one of you just happened to like do something really nice or something. How do I end the Q&A? End Q&A. Confirm. Huh. So that's what that is. Right. Hold on. So if I door fix problems. Right. Doors and hold on, sorry, I'm typing this. Ask. There we go. I've made a poll. There we go. I am your only employee. How dare you say I'm not your favorite? I'm sorry. No, I was saying I can't decide between my fans. I wasn't saying I can't decide between employees. And also, it depends on your definition of employee. Because, like, technically, you could consider the moderators employees and stuff. So, do they count? Like, do they count as employees? May as well play Norse. Okay, good. Yeah, the poll's got 100% rate there, so like, you know. Should I change the stream title? There's like 40 minutes left at most. Actually, probably less because I don't know when I'm gonna need to end the stream, but it'll probably be not too long from now. Doors, boys. Yeah, I'll load up doors. Hold on. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Right, also, let's move that. Right. Doors. I haven't actually even played it since the update. I haven't played it since I won it, I don't think. Oh, wait, no. I don't think I've played it since the stream where Melody beat Doors. I don't think I have played it since then. So, like, there's a bit of a strange thing there. Should I pin a comment or something? Like, should I pin a comment saying we did code it, and we've stopped? I'm gonna tell you nothing about the update. You're gonna need to figure it out. I mean, that's technically what Doors was designed to be. And why is it not loading? I can't get into the game. It's not loading the game. Oh gosh, I'm causing my tabs to flash. Yeah, it's not loading the game. Join my private server. Nothing's loading. my internet, it's just on Chrome. Like my internet, everything seems to be loading really slowly on Chrome. Maybe I should get a different browser, I don't know, like, everyone's always like, I use Opera GX for all of these, like, just stop giving me Opera GX adverts. Like, once stuff loads on Chrome, it's always fine, but, like, then normally it's, like, it's really weird. Like, sometimes it's fine, other times it's not. I use Opera GX. Fousey, stop advertising. You got McDonald's Wi-Fi? It's just Chrome. Everything else is fine, because like you can see the stream is outputting completely fine. If I play an online game, it's completely fine. It's just Chrome. Or like, it could be other browsers. Well, you know what I'm gonna swap to? I'm gonna swap to Internet Explorer. Microsoft Edge. Just swap to those. Okay, right, full screen. Sorry, were we gonna get in a VC? I don't know. I don't know what we actually then decided on. What we decided on? Why have I got a ping in Spidey's Discord? What kind of streams does everyone want to see? Sorry, I've got to do a Spidey impression. Sorry, I've got to do a Spidey impression because I've got a, like, ping from his server. What does Spidey sound like? Fousey, that's a very handsome looking outfit you've got there. What does Spidey sound like? I'm trying to think of how to do a Spidey, like, impression. You have to go eat dinner? Oh, goodbye night. I mean, we're not even coding anymore. What does Spidey sound like? Fousey, you know what Spidey sounds like. Describe his voice. I know what he sounds like, but I can't think of how to do an impression of it. Should I just pinch my nose and do it? Just like, okay, yeah. He sounds like that, kind of. He does kind of sound like that. He does kind of sound like that. Like, if you pinch your nose and talk, he does kind of sound like that. He does kind of sound like that. Yes, that. Yeah, see, that's just me pinching my nose. Okay, right, Spidey impression. What kind of streams does everyone want to see? I was going to work on the short and blockbuster mod again today on stream, unless you guys want to see something else. I want to do more streams that I can make into video and short formats. Yeah, see, it sounds exactly like him. It sounds exactly like him. Sorry, I've gotten distracted. Oh my gosh, I look even more handsome. Right, I'm gonna hop into a random lobby. You. Oh gosh, I bet later, like, someone's gonna clip that and send it to him or something. Someone's gonna send that to him, and I'm gonna get a message from him or something. VC? Probably should VC. I'm gonna get a message from him, like, later. Asking about that. We should probably VC. Let's do a round without VC first. We're gonna do one round without VC. You know, if anyone pops onto the stream, we can just say that I coded this. How about that? Where? Fousey. Fousey, where are you? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Fousey abandoned us. He's too scared. Absolutely atrocious. I can't believe that he didn't turn up. Can't believe he didn't turn up. Wow. Just... Wow. He's just absolutely terrified of it. How many doors are there? Like, all of the rules change. Like, how many doors are there? I'm confused how many doors there are now and stuff. I can't believe Fousey abandoned us. He must be, like, he must be really scared. There's a really ominous noise coming through here. I don't like the ominous noise. Right. Okay, so there are 100 doors. Because, like, what happened to the whole ending thing where it's like you're falling down the elevator shaft and stuff, and it's like it's all going wrong. Like, should I call you? Actually, I have a better. What have I just found? What? What is this? What? I'm taking that. That's my medicine. Gotta love that paracetamol. Anything here? No. Anything in here? No. Oh, no, that's not a lighter. You paused. Did the lights flicker? That felt like the lights flickered. I'm very confused. I'm very confused. Like, I don't know what this is like anymore. And I feel like there's gonna be a sudden monster that just comes and kills me. This is very much how it's gonna go. I thought that was a shadowy figure. Like, what is this? What is this? I'm so confused. I'm so very confused. This is really weird. I'm sorry. It just is. It's really weird. There's another chest? Why are there now chests? I'm so confused. Stuff is different. How dare... There we go. You know, I'm actually kind of impressed with how they did rush, because they actually made it so that the pitch increases as it gets closer to you and stuff. And that is actually not easy. Like doing... What's it called? What's the... it's like... I can't think of the name of it, but it's the thing where, like, wavelengths get... the numbers. That one says 15. That one says 16. One is fake, choose a door. Why don't we just look at the door number here? Oh! Because of that. Okay, well why don't we look at the door number previously? It is... Oh. Ah, right. Okay, so it all gets removed. It's not just that door. Right, okay, that's it's a bit problematic, you know. Let's try door 15. Look at that, I'm a master at this game. I'm a master at this game. That's absolutely amazing. Look, there's door 16. God, Fuzi, I can't believe you ran away from this. It's so easy and, like, so not scary. How are you sprinting? It's so easy and so not scary. I can't believe you didn't manage to do this, Fuzi. Can't believe it. I'm gonna get jump scared by, like, something. Okay, let's just move around you. Thank you, mate. And is there gonna be another one? Because sometimes there's two in a row. No, okay. And through here. This is a lot less this is a lot less scary when, like, is Rush coming? Rush not coming? Huh. Rush didn't come. That was really weird. that was really weird. Yeah, like it. I've forgotten what I was even saying now. I got distracted by waiting to see if Rush would arrive. Okay, that was a definite light flicker. Okay, that took a really long time. That was a really long time. And it's now really dark. Oh my gosh! Okay, right, up here we go. Yeah, this is a lot less scary when, like, you've got nice Minecraft music playing in the background and stuff. It's a lot less scary. Why do you need to wait before going in? What do you mean, why do you need to wait before going in? What are we on about? Wait, my auntie has come from Manchester. She and I go back. No, doesn't know. Wait, hold on. I can't read the message. I'm trying to pay attention to the game and the message. That was, oh, it's the eyes. I heard that, like, is Seek different? Someone told me that Seek is different. So, like, is Seek different now? Or... oh, it's fake doors. Wait, can we find out based on the key number? Like, if it's got a key, why was it not opening the bottom one? Hello? Okay, right. Like, is the key number gonna be correct, or have they changed that as well? Oh, okay, you got through. I mean, it's reanimated. That's quite cool. He looks a lot faster, I'm gonna be honest. I am not really panicking. I should probably be panicking more. It's right. And then we go under here, and then it's right again. Yep, we're doing well here. We're doing well. I know exactly what I'm doing here. This is just, I love that invisible floating flashlight thing there. And oh, I think his animation's faster, but he isn't actually faster himself. Right. This way, and it needs a key. Okay, we're doing good. Doing good, right, and that's another medicine bottle. What did I just open? Right, okay, and more coins. I heard the door open, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Why are we playing doors now? Because it's Leanne Tremaine's birthday, and we kind of ran out of stuff to code already, so, yeah, like, it's just, as a little birthday gift, we're playing, doors. Which, probably, like, isn't necessary, but, like, it's, you know, it's a nice little break from the coding and stuff. It's my birthday too, definitely no fake, everything real. That does not seem fine. Is Rush gonna arrive? You know, that is the first time I've ever seen the bed actually need to be used, because, like, the first time it just wasn't actually useful. Right. And yeah, and why are there so many coins now? There were never this many coins. Why are there so many? Like, I'm getting rich off of this. I love robbing people. I love robbing people. It's so fun. Why do I hear bees? I don't know. No bees here, I think. Or is my microphone being weird? Is my mic being weird? I can now use massive pop filter to hide my monitor if I get scared. Yeah, is my mic being weird, or is it just like, are people just hallucinating bees? Mic's fine? Okay. It's nice boxes, you know. Yeah, after you do like game making and 3D modeling and stuff, you get a lot more respect for like models and stuff. Like it. Oh, there's more animations for that guy. Is this just the exact same game, just with more animations and a few items? Is that all this is? Because that's what it's feeling like, you know? It's feeling like the exact same game as before, but with more animations and items. And coins. Oh, there's another one. Is there one here? No, there wasn't. Okay, I heard the running. Right. So it's diamond, which we don't have. Star, which we don't have. Triangle, which we don't have. Cross, which we do have. And a circle. This game isn't the same. It feels very much the same. Ambush got buffed. Oh! That's wonderful. What, does he like start coming back faster and faster or something? This text just appearing. Where is he? Oh, he's all the way over there. It's stupid, right? Oh, it's... There's batteries in here. There's batteries. Look, batteries. Look, there's batteries. I'll show the monster remover. What? Wait, have you got the crucifix or whatever? I'm so confused. Got 19 minutes until I have to go. Well, it's also 19 minutes until I have to go as well. So, pretty good time in there. There's even more batteries here. There's loads of batteries. You want these batteries? Sweet AA batteries. I mean, if not, I'll eat them if you don't want them. Right. That's very much a. Why is it like that? What I hate is the fact that shift, which is the button normally used to sprint, makes you crouch. And you can't even sprint, like, voluntarily. You can't voluntarily sprint. Go on, Leandromain, you can do this. Like, you can't, like, you sprint voluntarily. Oh, no, you can't sprint voluntarily. Which is really not, I think the arm is stuck in the thing. I wouldn't go near to try it out, though. It's playing with death here. Like, why like, the button normally used to sprint causes you to crouch, so cause out of reflex, I just press it, like, oh gosh, I'm being chased, better sprint, and then I crouch. It's so annoying. Surely we have enough to just brute force the number now if we don't have it. I should probably start doing the outro, because I don't think I'm going to have time for another round. So I mean, like, whilst we're just sitting here, watching, I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream. I don't know why I'm saying the outro now, like, he's not dead. He's not dead, I'll leave it until when he dies. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. You're amazing at this game and stuff. What the heck? Oh, it's the shop guy. I have heard about this and stuff. There is a shop, and you can buy stuff. Like, I do know about some of this stuff. I don't know much, but I know a bit. What is that on the floor? Is that meat? Is that just meat? Is that what it is? What if he dies in 20 hours? Well, I don't think he'll be playing the game for 20 hours. Go on, you can do it, but fast. The key's there. I can literally hear my dinner being served up, so I am gonna need to end the stream in a second. Oh gosh. Oh yes he will, cause sleep and school. What? But you can't do that if you're playing the game. Go on, you can do it. Why have you got so many lockpicks? Where are you getting all of those? Also, wait, stand close to the wall. Can I see out the map? Oh, I love when you can see out the map. It's really fun. You get to see how some stuff's made. I mean, doors less so, because all of the map, like, stops generating and stuff. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're crouched on the floor, looking down. Oh, you've got to go. Oh! I mean, I have to end the stream anyway, so not really too much of a problem there. Well, I guess if you have to go, I should probably start doing the outro, so thank you everyone for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this stream. I think we did a pretty good job at making Minecraft, I'll be honest. I think that our little, like, result here, if it wants to load up, is it this one? Nope, that's the spellcasting that we used to copy the raycasts from. I think we did a pretty decent job. For what there was, I think we did a pretty decent job. Like, you're able to mine blocks and stuff, and boom, it breaks apart. And, like, everything's to the right scale, sort of. You can dig down, and then if you dig down too far, you fall into a cave and die. Well, you don't die. But yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. So, I'm just gonna end this stream here. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Next stream is gonna be on Monday. And I don't know what we're... Well, no, I kind of do know what we're going to play. I don't know what I'm going to play if I can't get hold of it. Because Kerbal Space Program 2 is coming out, and I know that a lot of people do want to see more Kerbal Space Program, because that's where a lot of you guys came from. So, I will hopefully be playing Kerbal Space Program 2 on thingy. Honey Links, you've literally arrived at the end. I'm literally doing the outro. I'm sorry, Honey Links. I'm doing the outro. I've got to go. I've got to go, Honey Links. I'm sorry. Because I know I'm about to get told, no, don't end the stream. But yeah, so next stream... See? No! So, next stream, Kerbal Space Program 2. And I don't think I'm gonna do it as, like... I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll do building your suggestions. I think what might be a better thing to do is, like, I'm trying to think, like, I think a better thing that I could do for Kerbal Space Program 2 is do, like, a live playthrough on it, because it's gonna be a new game. I'm gonna know the basics of it, because it's gonna be pretty similar to the first one. I'll just go back to bed. Yeah, I would recommend that, Honey Links. Whenever you finish your dinner, and I finish mine, can we redo that? Maybe. I don't know. I've got stuff to work on, because I'm back to college tomorrow, so there's a bunch of stuff that I need to sort. In fact, my timetable's screwed up. I've got 2 lessons at the same time. And, like, the timetable was even going, like, hold on, what the heck is going on here? Like, I've got 2 lessons at the same time, it's really weird. So, I have some stuff to work on, but yeah, I feel like, with KSP2, I think, like, a live playthrough of it is gonna be better, at least for the first stream. Like, if I do more, then maybe I'll do building your suggestions, but, like, I think it's gonna be more fun if I do a live playthrough, like, with my first impressions of it. So I'm not gonna load it up, I'm gonna, like, try and stay, like, as anonymous or, like, as unknowing as I can. So I don't want to watch a bunch of videos on it. I don't want to watch, like, any sort of, here's a review of Kerbal Space Program 2. I just want to, like, play it completely, like, unbiased opinion or anything. Like, just play it. Yeah, be in the dark about it. There we go. Feezy's put it well. Feezy's better at writing things than me. Pineapple, why did you keep me up till 3? I didn't keep you up till 3. I've done nothing. I've done nothing. Anyway, yeah, so next stream Kerbal Space Program, and I will basically, well, I'm gonna try and do it, like, with as fresh of a mind as possible, just without ever seeing it before. But for now, I hope you have enjoyed this stream. I hope you liked our remaking Minecraft Pocket Edition. I'm gonna need to change the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna need to change the thumbnail of this stream, because, like, it's completely, like, it's probably more than a mobile game at this point. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed it. I can see you guys complain. I'm sorry the stream has to end. I'm sorry. But yeah, as I was saying, for, like, the 5th time now, I'm really bad at ending streams. Thank you for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next stream. Bye-bye!